Hello, my name is Rosario. I would like to welcome you to 2025 Broadway, apartment 16JK at the Nevada Towers. A massive apartment drowned in sunlight with spectacular city views located at the tip of Lincoln Square. This split 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom takes up the entire south end of the 16th floor and can be easily converted into a 3-bedroom. Only 5 units have sold in the JK line since 2007, and since then, the prices have increased by 50%. These numbers don't lie, and it can't be denied that 16JK is a great investment. As you enter this palace, to the left of the entrance is a spacious living room and dining room, along with a chef's eat-in kitchen. The combined living and dining room is 24 by 20 feet. The eat-in kitchen has been renovated with stainless steel appliances, track lighting, and a gray backsplash matching the stainless steel appliances, and a well-matched vinyl flooring. Within the same space, French doors lead you to a bedroom with a beautifully renovated private bathroom on the north end of the unit. To the right of the entrance to the unit is the master bedroom, a full bathroom, and the mudroom, which contains a washer, dryer, and a sink surrounded by plenty of cabinetry. The location of this unit is what makes it such an appealing investment. The Nevada Towers is located on Amsterdam and Broadway on 70th Street, which is in the middle of Central Park and Riverside Park, with local and express trains within a very short walking distance. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact me directly if you have any questions or would like to schedule a private viewing.